Friends, SSC MTS and Havaldar exam is between 1st September to 29th September. Friends, if you are preparing for this exam, then you should not miss this video, or if you are preparing for any government job, then this video is most important for you. That's why you will watch this video completely so that you do not miss a single question. Your first question is, which among the following is a character of chloroplast which makes them qualified to self-replication? Answer is option B, presence of both DNA and RNA. Which one of the following statements is incorrect about muscles in human body? Answer is option A, muscles can only push the bone. Gluten-free diet is prescribed for patients suffering from. Answer is option A, celiac disease. The Sundari and mangrove tree are found in. Answer is option D, tidal forest. Which political association became known as the Justice Party? Answer is option A, South Indian Liberation Front. In which of the following years the Basel I Accord was introduced? Answer is option C, 1988. Who was the first editor of the Amrita Bazar Patrika? Answer is option B, Shishir Kumar Ghosh. Polymer which is used in paints and synthesized by ethylene glycol and phthalic acid is. Answer is option D, glyptal. The Indian National Congress did not form a government in blank after the 1937 provincial election. Answer is option C, Bengal. Which one of the following articles of the Constitution of India requires the Prime Minister of India to furnish information related to decisions of the Council of Ministers to the President of India? Answer is option A, Article 78. Which one of the following methods can be used to obtain highly pure metal which is liquid at room temperature? Answer is option D, distillation. Who among the following was given the title of Mallika-e-Ghazal? Answer is option B, Begum Akhtar. According to Article blank of the Indian Constitution, the Union Budget of a year, also referred to as the annual financial statement, is a statement of the estimated receipts and expenditure of the government for that particular year. Answer is option A, 112. Cement is made hard with blank. Answer is option A, hydration and dissociation of water. Which Veda depicts the information about the most ancient Vedic age culture? Answer is option B, Rig Veda. Which one of the following elements is considered as a micronutrient in plants? Answer is option C, zinc. The shifting cultivation in the northeastern region of India is called blank. Answer is option A, zooming. Who defined economics as a study of men as they live and move and think in the ordinary business of life? Answer is option D, Alfred Marshall. Reserve Bank of India is listed in the blank list given in the 7th schedule in the Constitution of India. Answer is option D, Union. Blank can give the Union Parliament power to make laws on matters included in the state list. Answer is option B, Rajya Sabha. Which of the following year is famously known as the Great Divide in the demographic history of India? Answer is option A, 1921. Around how much percent of surface of Earth is covered with water? Answer is option C, 70-80%. The earliest Buddhist literature which deal with the stories of the various birth of Buddha are. Answer is option C, Jatakas. The reflection formed by the plane mirror is blank. Answer is option D, lateral inversion. What is the name of the pass at the southern end of the Nilgiri Hills? Answer is option B, Palakkad Gap. Which group of plants bear flowers? Answer is option D, angiosperms. Covalent bond is also called a. Answer is option A, molecular bond. The president can proclaim emergency on the written advice of the blank. Answer is option B, Union Cabinet. In India, the ports are categorized as major and non-major ports. Which one of the following is a non-major port? Answer is option C, Dahej. Which of the following was one of the ingredients of middle path advocated by Buddha? Answer is option A, right effort. The distinguishing feature of Upanishadic thought is. Answer is option B, belief in karma and rebirth. Who was the first propounder of the doctrine of passive resistance? Answer is option D, Aurobindo Ghosh. Generally, the soil of the northern plains of India has been formed by blank. Answer is option C, aggradation. A ray of white light strikes the surface of an object. If all the colors are reflected, the surface would appear. Answer is option C, white. Which state gives Nandi Award? Answer is option A, Andhra Pradesh. The thickness of the troposphere increases. Answer is option B, in summer. Which of the following was not practiced in the Rig Vedic society? Answer is option D, child marriage. Blizzards are characteristic features of. Answer is option C, Antarctic region. Mahatma Gandhi was profoundly influenced by the writing of blank. Answer is option B, Leo Tolstoy. Brown leaf spot of rice is caused by which of these fungi? Answer is option B, Helminthosporium oryzae. Bone ossification test is conducted to ascertain human. Answer is option A, tentative age. Which of the following can be used to form a real image? Answer is option C, concave mirror only. Human bodies can be scanned with magnetic resonance imaging because they contain. Answer is option B, hydrogen. From which country did the Indian Constitution borrow the idea of directive principles of state policy? Answer is option C, Ireland. Vegetables are easily perishable because of their high content of. Answer is option A, water. The ideal of justice, social, economical and political in the preamble has been taken from. Answer is option C, Russian Revolution. The distribution of the burden of paying a tax is called. Answer is option B, incidence of a tax. Which of the following method is applied to determine purity of a metal since the ancient times? Answer is option A, Archimedes principle. Name some notable economists who estimated India's per capita income during the colonial period. Answer is option D, all of the above. Opening of Suez Canal insignificantly reduced the cost of transportation of goods between Britain and India. Answer is option C, 1869.